So how to actually go out when you're a business owner. Let's say you have no experience in social media, have never done any sort of social media before. How can you go and get started? So the easiest way how I would have done it, okay, let me explain my process when I get into a company that sign on with us and they want to use our services. First thing we do is we try to upload up to, if there's nothing on their Facebook page, we need to get up to 10 pieces of content up there. If the pictures or videos, just go and upload. If it's a Facebook and Instagram, we always start with just those two platforms. If the client wants us to do YouTube and so on, then we'll do that later. But first, we always go and concentrate on Facebook and Instagram. So at least upload up to 10 to 15 pieces of content. And make sure it's not rushed content. It must be content that's high quality and someone actually wants to go and view it. So my favorite industry is the restaurant industry. If you want to go and post food that doesn't look too good, no one is going to actually want to go and like your page or look at your stuff. You're going to get a negative brand awareness while people see you and portray you. So what I would do, go 10 pieces of content on both of the platforms. You can even go and put the same ones up on both of the platforms. I usually go and put a lot of the same content on Instagram and on Facebook. But you must also try to mix it up a little bit as well. If you go and really use the platforms, you'll see Facebook is a bit better for videos. And Instagram, the videos need to be under 1 minute. So Instagram is great for very short videos and for photos. And Facebook is good again for videos. So go and separate them and work like that. But when you're just starting out, first 2 months, you can get away about posting the same content on both of them. It depends on how you run your business. You can even do it for a longer time. But just remember, longer videos goes on Facebook and on Instagram, short videos goes on Instagram. So then what I would also start to do is, I would immediately get my client to sign up on a budget. And then the budget I would use to go out and market for them. So it's not really to go and get subscribers or likes or follows or anything of that nature. It's to build brand awareness. So what I do is I'll run a traffic ad or a video ad. Those are my two favorite ones. You can even go and push it to an engagement ad just to get people aware of the brand. And then if people knows the brand, what I usually do as well, I'll also go and hit them with a retargeting ad. The retargeting ad is actually to go and close the deal, if I can say it like that. That's when you go and you really go to collect something really valuable from the client. We also usually use the email sign up on the first time the people visit just from the traffic ad. But the second time you're retargeting, the people that come back to the site are warmer traffic and they are most likely there to come and buy something or just to at least get more info on your business. So go and use this. You can even allocate a small budget. I usually don't like a budget less than 5,000 Rand. I won't work with people that goes less than that usually. Some business you can get away with it, but usually 5,000 I say is the benchmark if you really want to make a difference. But let's say your business can only afford 50 bucks a day. That's fine. Even if you can go 20 bucks a day, start running brand awareness ads. Just run ads where people just see your logo at least, or go to your website or view a video about you. I think video views are the most new trending thing on Facebook. It's really easy for people to go and find out how your business is if you have a great video. Or at least take them to your website. Website is also good. Your website is like your online business, like your store or your restaurant, whatever it is. It's also quite good for branding. So at least start with branding ads.